Look at all those cars in Farmington. Right? Specialty care for children in St. Louis is one of the services Shriners Children's St. Louis offers. This morning, we're going to learn more about their mission and share how viewers can benefit from or offer support to the mission. Joining us this morning is Mark Venable to share more about that. Mark, good morning to you.
Good morning.
We are glad to have you here this morning. Very important mission that you guys serve, but to be exact, what is the mission of Shriners Children's?
Yeah, so the mission of Shriners Children's is to provide compassionate and innovative medical care to support children, along with research to advance medicine and to offer educational opportunities for providers and other healthcare professionals.
Each Shriners Children location serves kids with different needs. What conditions does the St. Louis Shriners serve for kids here?
Yeah. So the St. Louis Hospital is orthopedic focused.
Okay.
So we serve a lot of different conditions, but to name a few, club feet, Blount's disease, where you can see a bowing of the legs, web fingers, scoliosis, and conditions that come along from an orthopedic standpoint with other diagnoses such as CP or cerebral palsy and spina bifida.
Those are some big medical conditions. What about the kid who falls off his bike and breaks his arm?
Yeah, so we certainly take care of fractures and sports injuries as well. And a big part of what we're doing right now is actually educating the community about that, going to urgent care centers, other healthcare professionals to make sure that they're aware that Shriners Children's St. Louis is available and accessible to patients who have that need.
Why is it important for you guys to keep educating parents about that need?
Well, for a long time, I think Shriners was a big secret in some regards, and people thought that it was only those big conditions that we treated. But while we certainly do those, we also treat the everyday conditions that happen with kids being kids.
If there's a parent at home watching and wants to have Shriners Children's on their child's team, how can they make an appointment with you?
Yeah, so there's a couple of ways you can do that. A 1-800 number, it's 237-5055. You can go to our website at shrinersstl.org. Or the more traditional route would be that they have a referral for orthopedic specialist care from their primary provider.
And you had all that information on the screen. You knew that off top, though. You didn't have to remember. You had to memorize. Now, we're familiar with local parades that Shriners has. How are they able to connect to healthcare organizations?
So, I'm sorry?
With the parade.
Yeah, with the parade. So we're very fortunate to have a long-standing affiliation with certainly Shriners International. We benefit from them not only financially to support the mission, but also in the fact that our Board of Governors is elected membership, and then we have volunteer Shriners who work in the hospital every day, and volunteers who provide transportation for our kids to and from their appointments.
What type of role do the volunteers play other than just their time and giving back to the Shriners? How important are they to your mission?
Yeah, volunteers are critical to our mission as a nonprofit. They help supplement our staff. Certainly they're a welcoming face at the front door of our organization. So they're critical to what we do every day.
We want to touch on the importance real quick of the research and education that Shriners provides for children and they aim to do. Could you elaborate a little bit on that for us?
Yeah, so the pillar of our organization and mission is education. So with that, we want to provide those opportunities. We recognize the value that it brings to the organization, and not only in the care that we provide, but also in ensuring that moving forward we're available for children as the need arises.
Very good. Mark, thank you for being here this morning. We appreciate it and sharing your mission right here. Shriners Children, if you'd like to donate, you can go right there to that little QR code. We also have this posted on our website, fox2now.com. Shriners Children St. Louis. Mark, thank you for being here this morning. We're back with more Fox 2 News in the morning after the break.